Hello everyone, my name is Marviv and this is the stopwatch that I made with GoGlobalWays using MIT App Inventor. So for this app, what I did was made 3 buttons to start, pause and reset the stopwatch. The numbers and the digits at the top, they are the stopwatch numbers. So when I click start, the stopwatch will start and it just adds the seconds, and when I press pause it'll just pause where it is, and then when I press reset it takes everything back to 0 and then you can start again.